she stole a candy, but the terrible police decided to confront her. Where is the world heading to?
Because you stole candy, it's fine, but come back. Stop, don't.
I'm not doing anything.
Listen, they just want you to trespass. If you walk away, you're going to go to jail. Go sit over there.
I'm listening.
Okay, go sit over there.
All right, cool.
You're being video and audio recorded, just so you know. Have a seat, please.
I'm not trespassing.
Have a seat.
I don't want to have a seat.
Oh my God, you're going to make us take you to jail over some stupid?
I have a seat. Yes, okay, so correct. So you know who I am. I'm Catalina. What's up?
You're what?
I'm Catalina. What's up?
I don't know who you are.
Okay, then.
Okay, so they said you stole candy. What I'd like is to get the candy back and issue a trespass warning, and we can be gone.
I don't have no candy. I didn't steal any candy.
You didn't?
No.
Okay, all right, we'll have them do a show up and stuff, and if they say it's you, we'll arrest you, okay?
Okay.
That works.
Check the bag. There's no candy in it.
We're just going to see if you were one that stole. It's been a while, so whether or not you have whatever they say you stole or not, we'll talk to them, okay? Will you hang out with her for a second? We're just going to go back over there and just talk to them. See what all right, let's go over there and we'll talk to them. So.
Hi.
How are you doing today? You what?
Check the bag. There's no candy. Check the bag. Check the camera. There's no candy.
I have no idea.
Okay.
They asked for someone else to show up here, so here I am. No, I don't want you digging around. So take a seat.
Take a seat?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Let me take a seat. There's still no candy. So what the
Is that what they're saying? Is you still candy?
Yeah, that's what they're saying. That's what they said. They said I stole candy.
All right. Like I said, at this point, stop digging around, all right? Just keep your hands where I can see them. I'm going to put you in handcuffs if you don't.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Because if it turns out it's nothing, I'm going to get out of here.
If you want the surveillance, I can...
What do you want done? You just want her trespassed? You want her charged?
What do you guys recommend?
I don't know. She's saying she doesn't have any of this stuff on her. What did she steal?
So I saw her on the camera stealing candy and the chips. So I'm not sure what she did with the candy, but
What kind of candy?
It's yellow color box candy.
And so she stole candy and chips? She was eating something when we got up there, but it's part of my...
No, that she brought from somewhere else. That's not ours. She just ate that in the stores.
Do you want to see if we can get the stuff back and then we'll just trespass her? If not, then we can arrest her if you want. I mean, it's up to you, really. It's your store.
I mean, you guys gonna arrest her, and then after like 24 hours, she's gonna be back on the streets.
Correct. Yeah, I don't run
there's no point of doing that.
Well, I can't tell you what they'll do, right? I mean, I can't say that won't happen. I also can't say that will happen. Maybe she'll be... For misdemeanor, they won't hold her forever, but we can issue a trespass warning if you want, so she can never come back to the store.
It was clear what the police were going to do next, but the woman wasn't going to comply so easily.
Where are you living at?
I live right here.
You homeless?
No, I live right here at the Shag Court.
What?
I live at the Shag Court.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long you lived here?
I stole a bag of... I didn't steal. I took a bag of hot Cheetos. The lady popped up. I took the hot Cheetos out. Said, is there forks? There's no fork.
Quit digging.
Okay.
You got a first name?
Catalina.
Catalina. How old are you?
28.
And try to get the stuff back. We'll do whatever you want, man. It's your store. You have the rights here. So
arrest her and do misdemeanor or whatever the charges against her. So that way, if anyone is seeing, they won't do the same thing.
Okay, you have surveillance video?
Yeah, let me go to the store so the black person knows that.
Bye. Stop looking at me. Yeah, I'm okay. I have things to do. I have an interview to go to. I have an appointment to go to.
Where at?
Where at? The library.
The library? You got an appointment at the library?
Valley City.
She stole a bunch of stuff, huh?
Yeah, and then my mom, she came over there, got the chips out, but she still took a majority of the candy.
Did she just run out after your mom confronted her?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, we'll go arrest her, and then we'll come back and we'll get all the info we need from you.
Okay, so I'm about to leave for my job too. So just leave your number, and I can message you the video surveillance.
Well, we actually got to get a little more info from you. So can you hang out for just a little bit?
Yeah,
like maybe 10 minutes. Is that okay?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, thank you. All right, let us go do that.
Hey, so you are going to be under arrest?
I didn't steal anything.
Well, they do have video footage of you.
I literally didn't steal anything.
Well, they have video footage of you.
I didn't steal anything.
So go ahead.
I didn't steal anything.
No.
No.
I don't want to hurt you.
No. Get the off of me. No.
Quit it.
No. 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 No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay?
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay?
No.
Kind of rolling towards you.
Yeah, I got her hand back. If you can get that hand.
No. Get the off of me.
So just
Get off of me. Get off. No.
there you go.
Get off. No. No. Get off of me.
Hold on. There we go.
No. No.
Stop fighting. Ah, she bit me.
Stop.
Oh.
Get off of me now.
All right, now you're under arrest for a felony.
No.
You just assaulted a
Because
police
I
officer.
didn't get anything. No. Get off of me.
Fuck.
No. Get off. Get off.
Let go of the handcuffs.
No, because I didn't steal anything.
You're gonna get
I
tased if you
didn't
don't.
steal.
You're gonna get tased if you don't let go.
No. I didn't. Stop.
Stop resisting. Stop fighting. Let go of the handcuffs. Put your hand behind your back.
Get off.
Tased again if you let go then.
Get off.
Catalina, quit.
Where's Whitney?
Stop.
Get off. Get off.
Okay, we need to. Yep, do you? Go to you. Go to you. Me, right? Ah. Bitch.
I didn't steal anything.
Ma'am,
No.
stop fighting.
man,
No, because I didn't steal nothing. No. I'm not under assault 3 because I didn't.
You bit me. You bit me.
Because you said I stole something.
Okay, well you're under arrest.
No,
okay?
arrest for
Assaulting a
what?
police. You were going to be under arrest for
Arrest for
shoplifting.
what?
Now you're under
You
arrest for assaulting a
trespassed me.
police officer.
It trespassed me.
Catalina,
Stop.
it was for shoplifting.
No, I didn't shoplift shit.
Then it upgraded to
I
assault
didn't
3
say-
and you bit my partner.
No, because I didn't shoplift nothing.
Even the raps weren't enough to shut her up.
No, I said no. Get off of me. No, did I steal something? No.
My knees.
Stop taking my shit out.
Ma'am,
Get off.
Stop down, please.
Get off.
I will get off.
Yeah.
Once you stop. Take a
Get
breath.
Now, we're not
Get
on
off
you.
of me.
I'm not around.
No.
Pull the legs up.
No, because you trespassed me.
Anybody got a hog?
No, you just
I
taking
got a
my
leg.
trespass. What are you doing? Get off of me.
Now we're gonna have to hold you
For
down.
what? I didn't steal.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Assault.
Stop. Assault what? Because you're assaulting me.
Quit trying to
Get
make my
off
fingers.
of me. No.
Ma'am, you're
I didn't
You're
steal
dictating
shit.
our actions
No,
right
but
now.
I did
Time to
steal
stop.
nothing. No, I didn't.
Catalina.
But what did I steal? Stop
Breathe.
taking shit out of my pocket. You keep stealing stuff from me.
Stay straight.
Stop. No. Let me
breathe
go.
for me.
Ma'am.
Let me go. No. What are you doing? Stop taking my pocket.
You want to search?
We're gonna check your pocket.
Stop it. You're stealing.
You're under
Yeah,
arrest.
No, I'm not.
You are.
For what? No. Stop taking my shit. Stop. Yeah.
Yeah, we can put that on.
No!
Breathe for me, girl. Come on.
Bring your shit! You didn't take nothing from me! I didn't steal shit! So get off of me! Get off! What are you doing? Stop arresting! Ow!
Correct, you're under
Ow!
You breathe. We
No!
can talk about it.
Get off! Look at all these police officers!
Well,
You're a weirdo, bro!
Because you're being
Get
crazy
off
for
of
no
me! You're
reason.
literally stealing my shit!
Pinching me.
Get off of me! I'm not under arrest!
Yeah, you
No,
are.
I'm not. I told you. So get off of me. I didn't steal nothing. No, I didn't. Get off. Get off. Ah! No, stop taking my stuff. Get off. Get off of me now. Stop. Stop taking my stuff. Get off.
Go, what's in your hand?
No, I don't have nothing in my hand. Get off of me now. Get off.
please.
Get off. Stop.
Just control
No. Get off. I don't want the f***ing dog! Get off! No! No, my brother! Get off of me now! Get off of me! You're self-defense! It's called so get the f*** off! Get off of me! Get off!
You're going to be writing a PC statement.
Get off! No, because I'm not going to jail! No! Get off! Get off of me! Oh, stop! No, I'm not going to jail! No! Because I'm not going to jail! Stop! What is it? Stop! Get off of me, bro! No!
You want to set that thing off?
No! Stop! Get the off of me! Stop! Get off of me because I still can't get the off of me! No! I'm lying! No! Get off of me! Get off! Get off! Get off!
I gotta spit that.
God, get off!
do that.
Get off! Stop! He's dead! Get the off! Get off! Stop! Get the off of me!
My door right
Stop! Get off of me! Get off! Stop!
I mean, my door right there is not.
No, I'm not gonna pay you.
Got it?
Stop!
Got it. We got it.
No, you don't have shit. You're not taking me to